1.5 lakh crore rupee, that's the amount, or rather the minimum size of the agri relief package that the government is working on, it seems. ET now learns exclusively from government sources. Incidentally, this is also, in all likelihood, will be over and above the fertilizer subsidy that is already being paid. And with this, the allocation for Agricultural Ministry may rise 3 times. That is from the current 50,000 crore rupees to a staggering 2 lakh crore rupees. Parisha Tyagi, my colleague, joins in with all the details on this one.
A sharp increase in Agriculture Ministry's budgetary allocation is expected for 2019-20 budget, as the much talked about farm relief package is likely to be a part of the budgetary allocation for the Agriculture Ministry, and the package, which is likely to cost the government nearly 1.5 lakh crore rupees, is expected to be added to nearly 50,000 crore rupees, which is likely to be given to the Agriculture Ministry as a part of the budget. This will take the total allocation to the farm sector to nearly 2 lakh crore rupees for 2019 and 20, and this is a whopping rise from 50,000 crore rupees a year ago. Let me remind you again that the government is looking at granting nearly 10,000 rupees per annum to farmers' household every year, and this package is likely to be announced very soon. This is likely to be a part of the budget, and sources tell us that the cabinet is very soon expected to take up this proposal, and this is expected to happen in next 2-3 days. Earlier, ET now had reported that government is looking at number of options to provide relief to farmers, and now I'm picking up from sources that the government has zeroed down on providing nearly 10,000, or they can even go on with a higher amount, but it is likely to be at least 10,000 rupees per annum. And this will be also, there have been some reports which suggested that the fertilizer subsidy can be subsumed, but sources tell us that fertilizer subsidy, which was nearly 70,000 crore rupees for FY 18-19, is likely to be there. This agriculture relief package will not subsume the fertilizer subsidy, and this package, this proposal, is likely to be taken up by cabinet very soon.
Thanks, Parisha, for that story. A big one coming in, pretty much on expected lines, but I guess the allocation seems to be much higher than what was earlier anticipated. Threefold increase allocation lined up in the budget document for the agricultural sector.